Hi guys! My name is Brittany Alyssa and I'm about to teach you guys something very special. I'm about to show you guys how to use real cherries in your daily makeup. Before you leave, I know it sounds crazy, but I am going to teach you guys how to do it. It's super cheap, it looks amazing, and you can even eat it afterwards. And just a little tip, guys love the taste of it. But anyway, so I'm about to teach you guys. And I know this is crazy, but the Mayans used it, the Aztecs used it, and even the Cinco de Mayos used it. So I'm about to show you guys because I learned it from those cultures and now I'm about to share it with the world. So if you guys like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and repost it. Now I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Hey guys! I'm going to start off with a simple foundation of Wet n Wild to even out my skin tone. You can do this in any order, but the important thing is that the cherries are last. So they add the element and they're fresh. So I'm just going to get my foundation. Cover up all those nasty blemishes. Now the important thing is to evenly spread it. You don't want to be scared, because when doing makeup, the worst thing ever possible is to be scared that it's going to look bad. Always say to yourself, I am gorgeous, I am powerful, I am fierce. And make sure one of the biggest things I hear boys complain about is that they can tell we have makeup on. That is a big no-no. And I really like the whole Kardashian look, so I like to just put the whole bottle on normally. So, but you can do yours. You want to really mess with how much you really put on. Never put on too light for you or too little, and always make sure to get a little around your neck, because one of the worst things you can do is look like a clown with clown makeup on. See? Already good. And then if your ears really stand out, maybe put a little bit on your ears too. But I normally don't have that problem, so I'm not going to focus on that. Then next, you want to, I'm going to do my actual eyebrows next, because I think that's one of the most important parts. And I am actually, there we go, using that. And then I always love doing my eyebrows really thick. I feel like it looks really good. Guys love it. See, I hear that actually, see, look how good that looks versus over here. That's all blotchy, this is all perfection. You will look gorgeous after that. You want to do long strokes though too. Then do just the same for this eye. Long strokes and even too. You don't want it to look blotchy and you don't want it to put on too thick. Perfect. Then I always just put a little bit extra just to blend it in on the top and then the bottom. Look how good that looks. I'm already going better. And then I have a little bit of lipstick. It's actually eyeliner. It's actually matte, but I use for my lips. Okay, now the important part. This is the part why everyone is here. To get back on those crazy exes. They will be missing you. They will be wanting you back. But you're going to be like, tough luck, boys. I'm looking for a new man. You're just a boy. We are about to incorporate the cherries. Now the cherries are the most important part. So what you want to do is have a little bowl. I just have whipped cream because I love whipped cream. But you can have any bowl you want. But you just want to pop it a little bit and just break it. Break the juices till they drip. Get some onto your fingers like this, and then you can just put it right on your skin. And the thing is, if you're going to use a lot, and you know you're going to use a lot, you maybe want to do the night before and make a juice bottle. So just squeeze all the juices into a little container. But I am not going to use that much. And you can actually use the actual cherry right on your skin. Look at that. It's gorgeous. I mean, look at that. And then you don't want the chunks. And just make sure you blend it in. You might need a lot. But again, break it, get the juices, get the pit out, make sure you don't want that, and then you can just put it right there. Gorgeous. Look at that. It almost looks like I'm being killed, but I'm doing the killing tonight. And then I'm doing the other cheek. And it's really good for your skin too, if you just want to do it without it. Perfect. Look at that. I'm a little diva. And this is all natural cherries. And it gives me that more red tone to my skin. And you just want to blend it in, just like the foundation. Because the blending part is the best. Or you're going to have chunks like this on your fingers, which is a no-go. And look at that, guys. It is slightly just a lighter, darker color of red, and it is perfection. I'm just going to do one more, just for good measure, because I really like rosy cheeks. Then you want to rub it in. Look at that! And there you go. That's how you do makeup with cherries. And I suggest to do it every day. It will give you a new personality. You will be feeling great and everyone will love you. I hope you guys like this video. And please like, subscribe, and comment. Comments are what I love, and I hope to see you guys next time. Bye!